All right, we're going to do something with these little seed pots and a base and some flowers. So let's see what I can put it together, okay? I'm Vicky from the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Let's get started. This is just a regular wood base that's a 5x5. I got them at Hobby Lobby in the wood pile section, and you get, I think for like $2.99, you get like 3 or 4 of them or something like that. Pretty good deal. So we're going to actually paint a white, and this is actually cashew, so it's an off-white, kind of brownish color. Which is basically almost a wood color. Okay, so we've got that. So now it's like a creamier color. I like that. We're going to set that off to the side. We're going to bring in our little peat pots here. And we need 4 for the bottom, 3 for the middle, and 1 for the top. So now we're going to go ahead and paint them. So I got this brown. And this is, I believe it's hazel, yeah, hazelnut brown. We're going to kind of make them look terracotta looking. Now that these are all done, just kind of set them off, let them dry a little. They will take in the paint really quickly, honestly. Real quick, though, on our base, I have this ribbon. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's just really, it's orange with, it's yellow with some little white flowers in it. And I thought this would make a really cute trim piece for our project. Ribbon on here real quick. And it's just the right size. Just going to put some tape over it to kind of hold it for right now. But I like how that looks on there. Super cute. All right. So now let's go ahead. We're going to put our little peat pots on here, on our piece here. Stick them all together really close. Now we're going to try and make it to where they're all on here kind of evenly, somewhat. We're going to take our tacky glue and some hot glue for a temporary hold to get them all on here. We've got our 4 little peat pots on here. While I still have these where I can get to them, because we are going to stack stuff on top of this, I'm going to go ahead and take some floral foam and we're going to stick them inside these guys. All of our foam in our little cups. Let's do a group of 3 that are going to sit on top. But we got to get them to connect together. So let me fill them with foam first too, just to get them filled up. Okay, once we get those on there, then we need to get it on our piece here. We can kind of tell where all the points of contact are going to be. we've got our second layer of 3, and now we need our top one. And this guy's going to be a little wonky, but it will be okay. I'm okay with that. Okay, now that we've got all of our cups are in order, ready to go, let's go ahead and we're going to fill our cups with floral. I've got little blue flowers, I've got white flowers, I've got yellow flowers, I've got all the different kinds of flowers. We're just going to fill her up. But first, we're going to put Spanish moss in there. Just a little bit of Spanish moss in all the cups. Okay, after we put all the Spanish moss in the cups, I'm going to put some down here too, around the center portion of this. Kind of shove it in between. Go ahead and start filling it in. All right, keeping it simple, keeping it looking good. All right, this is super easy, and you can make this as colorful as you want. I'm just keeping it really simple, you guys. All right, keep on coming back for some more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.